How is race socially constructed in minority group definitions? Imagine a world where the way we see and group people isn't based on biology but on society's ideas and rules. That's exactly how race is built in the United States. It all started after the Civil War, during the Reconstruction era, when laws shifted from slavery to social categories based on skin color and social roles. These categories weren't about biology but about how society decided to organize people. For example, someone with dark skin might be labeled differently depending on their social and economic status, not just their physical traits. The U.S. Census Bureau plays a big role in this. It creates racial categories like white, Black or African American, Native American or Alaska Native, Asian, and Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander. These groups aren't fixed or natural. They change over time based on social and political needs. The census also recognizes people who identify with more than one race, showing how fluid these labels can be. These categories help the government collect data but also reflected social meanings, not biological facts. Minority groups are defined not just by race but also by their social, economic, and political experiences. Groups labeled as minorities often face disadvantages and are seen as different because of their history of marginalization. Race becomes a marker for access to resources, rights, and representation. It's a way society sorts people into different levels of privilege and power. Demographic data shows how racial categories shape our understanding of populations. For example, most states have a majority of non-Hispanic white people, but by the year 2045, more diverse populations are expected to become the majority. This shift is driven by immigration, birth rates, and how people choose to identify themselves. Understanding that race is a social construct helps us see that these categories are created by society to organize and control. They are not based on inherent biological differences, but on historical and social processes. This understanding influences policies on civil rights, health care, education, and political representation. It shows that race is a tool society uses, shaped by history and power, rather than a natural division among people.